Today, come with me. We're going to check out some lights from Onforu. All right, so this is what the box looks like when it comes in. I have already installed the spikes on these. It is super simple, but here they are straight out of the box, and it comes with the instruction manual. And here's the plug. You plug it in and the lights will automatically come on. Now in this video, they're not blinking, but once you turn them on for the first time, they will blink red. You hook them up to your Wi-Fi, and then you're ready to go. So first I'm going to show you what the website looks like to the affiliate link that's below. It has all the specs, all the information on these lights. Obviously it's our Halloween season. These are awesome for Halloween. They are a smart light. You can place them pretty much anywhere, and as you can see, there are a ton of uses for these. You can put them in your yard. They're waterproof. They have timer settings on them. You can sync them to music. Very easy installation. Wide range of applications, as you can see the photos here. I mean, they are very diverse. You could pretty much use them for anything. I have had them out. It's been raining a ton over the last couple of weeks, and they have been outside with no issues. There are other products on this link, so definitely go there and check it out. Onforu Smart Lights, Wi-Fi RGB LED floodlights, FG144. Definitely get you some. Alright guys, so I got the lights staked in the ground outside, so it's pretty cool. So this goes one plug, it runs all 5 of these lights, and then these lights are controlled by your phone through Wi-Fi. I mean, I guess you can do it on an iPad, on your phone, or however you want, wherever you can download the app, and you can change these all to one color, or you can go back and adjust these based on what colors that you want. So let me go adjust the colors. I'm actually recording with my phone, so I can't adjust the colors at the same time I'm using my phone, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. You can do any color combination. And I guess while I have this solid color on, I'm just going to show you the whole cemetery here just with red. It's a really nice wash of color, so looks really good. All right, this is pretty cool. So this has a bunch of really cool settings I didn't know it had. So this is called Firefly Night. So it's going from like a teal to like a purple to blue on every light. I believe I could go and just switch just this one to that, and I could have everything else red. And I could do that with all 5 lights on this string. So it's really diverse to set your colors. All right, so here it is with some different colors. Doing like a purple fuchsia over here, like a white over here in the middle. And so you can adjust this literally however you want. You can see the colors are kind of blending right here a bit from the different lights, which is super cool. I have like a green, kind of a blue-green right here. And then I have kind of a purplish light on this first one. And I like how those are kind of washing each other here. And it's got this cool blended green-purple bleed right here, which is, I'm really liking that combination there. And then a little bit of a blue there. So I'm really liking that one. So that also shows the thunder good. So I would definitely recommend these lights. It's the same company of the review that I did for the black light that I have on the inside of the mausoleum with the crank ghost. So same company, and they're like, hey, you want to try these lights out? I'm like, yeah, absolutely, I'll try them out. So I like them. I think they're pretty cool. It's really neat. It's off of one plug to run all 5 lights. So definitely go check them out. There's a link, affiliate link down in the description if you'd like to buy some of these. Honestly, you know, I know Halloween is our season, but Christmas is coming up. And if you don't have time to order these for Halloween, you can definitely get them for Christmas if you do Christmas displays, or for Halloween next year. So you know what to do, guys. Get your hunt on.